Hi, my name is John. Welcome to a video that's going to be all about cooking pancakes. Today is Shrove Tuesday, or as it's commonly known in these parts, Pancake Tuesday. And what I want to do is make some traditional pancakes. So if you want to see machining, milling, welding or casting, unfortunately you'll have to wait the weekend because this is going to be all about cooking. The pancake mix is really easy to do. First thing we need is 3 eggs. Now it's basic to break the eggs into a bowl before you put them in your mixing bowl in case you get any bits of shell in and you can remove them. Right, so we've got 3 eggs that we managed to put in there without breaking them. They go into the mixing bowl. Then we need 200 millilitres of plain flour. You can use basil flour and you don't get a much fluffier pancake, but we're going to use plain flour. Just about there. A little bit of salt. Then 200 mils of milk, or 100 mils of milk and 100 mils of water. That goes into there. And it's thoroughly mixed up. I like using a DeWalt for mixing. I think I get a better mix with a DeWalt than I do with a Kika. Just personal preference really. Just once you mix the first consistency of right, so that's the sort of consistency you need. I've got a nice non-stick pan here. And just a little bit of olive oil, doesn't take a great lot. The pan needs to be nice and hot, really hot. You don't want them too thick, you want them just nice. The pan wasn't quite hot enough for that one, but I'm sure we'll get it right for the next one. Right, that wasn't quite ready to turn. It's a case of experimenting until you get things just the way you want them. Made a little bit of a mess of that one, gentlemen, never mind, we'll get there. Right, we've got a warm plate to put them on. Right, that's better. And each colour. That's better. So when right over 360, that's it, 180, spot on. Basically when they're cooked like that, they're a little bit bland, so what you do, you put a dressing on them. Maple syrup is one of my favourites. You can put jam on or sugar on. Maple syrup is very nice. Maple syrup goes on. And a little bit of lemon juice. Another one with maple syrup on. You can put sugar on, you can put anything you want on really. You can put cheese on if you really want to. But I think that the maple syrup and the lemon juice is really nice. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and basically, bon appetit, bonny lad. Yeah, absolutely superb.